And I'm going to talk to you just a little bit about a couple of the benefits of those products, starting with our EpiBlanc, which is kind of a little misunderstood, I think, sometimes. This product has an amazing ingredient deck. Now, when you read the ingredient deck, you're going to think, wow, those sound, I can't even pronounce those. Are we sure that those are good for the skin? In the cosmetic world, and really because we are such a high integrity company, we actually use a naming standard for our ingredients. It's called the INCI naming standard, the International Nomenclature Cosmetic Ingredients. And this allows you to understand really what the ingredient is. And when we list it on the label by its botanical name or by its actual INCI name, this allows you to be able to source or find more information in a more quick way. And the EpiBlanc actually has a lot of amazing ingredients. So we're going to start with the sodium hyaluronate, which we know is naturally produced in the skin. It helps with moisturization. We have tocopherol, which is a natural vitamin E, and arbutin. And arbutin is actually a molecule that's extracted from the bearberry plant. And this is an ingredient that can help support a really even tone and texture in the skin. So this is one of the ingredients that help with that EpiBlanc effect. And then Rumex, which you'll read on the label, is also designed to assist the arbutin. This is where smart science comes into play. And you have a combination of those two ingredients that help to support the intent of the product. So when you use this, this is a spot treatment product designed to address your individual needs.